Hi everyone. What I'm going to show you today is how to present your chart, Excel chart, into a very nice way of presenting it on PowerPoint. So I have a chart here open in Excel 2010 which talks about a GPRS or anything which you have a comparison to. It's a GPRS transmission. We have an audit from the device for that information to the server using the GPRS. So what we have here is the delay from where the information goes to where the information reaches. So the one which have high is high here, it's bad. The one is low there is good. So there are three vendors and we want to choose one of them, and you want to present this to your management group or your management team that they can take a decision on what decision they can take, which vendor they can approve. So right click on the chart and copying it, and we have the PowerPoint presentation open here, and I'll just paste it here using right click and paste option in Excel. I have to keep a source formatting, or I have to keep it in Excel, and the reason is if it's in picture it's taken as an item, not as the chart, so which doesn't work in the option where I'm going to show you. So I'm going to accept that one. I'm going to click on it, and if I don't like that black color, that's not an issue. I'll just highlight it or click on it, select and shape fill, and I'll change the color. It's selected for white here, so I like white. I'll choose it. It's up to you. You can make it red, you can make it in whatever color contrast you want. So you have to choose one of the animation, which I'm going to choose shape of the entrance animation, which is, it's up to you what to choose. And the trick here is to use the effect options, and when you click on effect options you'll find by series and by category. I'll show you one by one. By series here, if you click on by series, so and you click on slideshow, this is how to look like your management team or the decision maker to approve these companies are sitting. They are waiting for your professional technical analysis on that information. So you don't show them all at the same time, because what will happen, they look at the graph and they will not listen to you, and you know that excitement in the presentation is lost. So you just open the graph by clicking on the spacebar or by click, so you get the graph, and then you click again, and then you see the vendor one, what's the performance in terms of delay, and they are really waiting to see how the others are performing. So once you click again, you'll show them what's the vendor 2 or the example 2 is behaving in terms of performance, and they are yet waiting to see whether the example 3 is good or better, or is worse. So we're gonna click again and show them yes. So after understanding this, they will understand which one to choose. There is another option which does work on this graph. Actually, it works on other graphs, which when you say by category. So once you select by category, you can really start. You will see how it appears when we click on slideshow in a minute, to see how it shows when you present it. That doesn't work with this graph very well, but it works very well with the other graph. So it takes some time because it's very detailed one. So I'll click slideshow here, and then you see I clicked again, the chart is coming, and here you have to keep clicking to draw the chart as you go. So I just keep clicking, and see that draws in a very nice way the chart, how the progress is, which really gives also a very good picture for people. That continuity, by the way, is the data that was sent from that device. That's all. So you see how nice it looks like. You can complete till the end. So they really can see if there is any difference or not. That doesn't work for this graph especially very well, as I can see it, but it works with other graphs where you can draw things together or start not showing people. If it's one graph only, you don't have comparison if you want to use it with one line, so you get really people to see, for instance, your trends or something like this. So they wait to see whether the trend will go up and down. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching.